Is Discord stuck on the grey screen on Windows PC? Here are 5 ways you can fix it. This is the Windows Club. If Discord is stuck on your PC screen, it's most likely a software glitch the app has suffered. To resolve the issue, simply press the Ctrl+A key combo on your keyboard. If it doesn't work, you need to try and restart the Discord application. Here we have shown how to fix it. Let's get started. Method 1. The first thing you can do is refresh Discord. Launch the Discord Canary app. Press Ctrl+Shift+I key combinations on your keyboard to open the Discord Dev Tools. Navigate to the Network tab. You can check or uncheck the Disable Cache option. Then press Ctrl+R keys to refresh Discord. Method 2. The next thing you can do to get rid of the Discord grey screen is run Discord in compatibility mode. To do that, right-click on the Discord app shortcut on your desktop. Expand its properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check the box for Run this program in compatibility mode for. Select a Windows version and apply the changes. Method 3. Sometimes due to corrupted app data, you can get a grey screen on Discord. So clear the app data and see if this can fix the issue. Here is how to do so. Press Windows+R keys on your keyboard to launch the Run utility. In the Run dialog box, type %appdata%, pin the environment variable below and hit Enter. At the location, scroll and locate the Discord folder. Select the Discord folder and press the Shift+Delete key combinations. Once done, reopen the Discord app and it will re-download some deleted files and the updates. You may again need to enter your login credentials as you have deleted the Discord cache. Method 4. You can also log into Discord online if you cannot solve the issue. So just log into the web version of Discord at https:/discord.com/login. This should reset the Discord account app and start Discord normally. Method 5. If the above methods couldn't fix the grey screen on Discord, reinstall the app. You can use some uninstaller app to reinstall Discord. Clear the Discord app data folders, reboot your PC, and download and install the latest version of Discord on your PC. We have a complete guide on how to install and reinstall the Discord app, so make sure you check this out. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.